Okay, well, virtual home showing was a little bit of trial and error for me. It was difficult to begin with. I felt very uncomfortable being on screen, and then when I realized I'm not on screen, the house is what's on the screen, it was real easy. And I just talked to the camera or talked to my phone is really what I'm doing as I'm walking around with the phone showing the house. I realized it's the same as just talking to the customer directly. And so I just interacted that same way and pointed out all the same features that I would normally point out to somebody. And if people typed in questions or asked me questions, I would just answer the questions, and it was really nice. And, as each person joined the event, it was nice to, say, hey, welcome to my home show. And if I'm doing a one-on-one tour with somebody who can't get to the area, it's really nice to just be able to talk to them and say, what is it that you want to see? I mean, I can point out everything, but then I get the instant response back from them that they say, I really need to see the carpet. I really didn't want a house with carpet, but we can do a close-up of what the carpet looks like, and they can say, okay, this carpet's in good condition. If they've got to live with it for a year or something, it's nice to know that they can see that, and I can give them instant feedback on what it feels like and what the conditions look like, and I can actually touch things. And if they say, what type of surface is that counter, I can touch it and feel it and show them cabinet doors and show them when things are, real wood, solid construction cabinets. And it's nice to get instant feedback, and it's not the same as being there, I know that, but at least I can touch it for them, and they can see that I'm touching it, and they can hear the sound quality and different things like that. And it's not that bad. Everybody seems pretty happy with it.